Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use and install gradient maps in Photoshop. It's really simple and easy. The way you make a gradient map is by going to your layers tab, and here at the bottom there is this little black and white circle. That's your adjustment layers, and down at the bottom we've got a gradient map. Click on the thumbnail preview, the gradient here. We get our gradient editor. The import button here will open up a file browser, and just select wherever that GRD file is, and it will bring up the gradients in a little folder down here, and you can see here is all of them. You can just click through them and see different results. We can find one we like for this piece and change the blending mode to soft light, and we can blend those colors in. We can click through and see how each of these are going to be look with that blending mode attached. It allows us to really quickly flip through and experiment with a whole bunch of different color options to find something funky and weird, something I wouldn't have discovered on my own. Another trick you might want to know is that you could see the adjustment layer here comes with a mask attached to it. If we use the gradient tool, set it to black and white, and then we adjust paint on the top of the layer, we can actually mask that gradient off to be just part of the canvas. And this is really good for creating colors that kind of gradient and change over the length of the canvas. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to install and use gradient maps in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.